Assalamualaikum and good day, madam. My name is Nur Asfira Izzati binti Muhammad Nizam, and today I would like to present my infographic poster entitled Comment with Care, the Ethic of Social Media Comments. This poster focuses on the importance of communicating ethically when commenting on social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Telegram. The main message of this poster is your words can build people up or break them down. This means that even a simple comment can give a big impact to other people, either in a positive or negative way. What is ethical commenting? Ethical commenting means sharing opinion online in respectful, responsible, and thoughtful way. It means we should think carefully before writing any comments, because our words can affect to other people's feelings, confidence, and reputation. Ethical commenting does not mean we cannot give any opinion or disagree with others. We can still express our thoughts, but we need to use proper words to avoid hurting, humiliating, or attacking others personally. For example, if we disagree with someone's opinion, we should not insult them. Instead, we can respond politely and explain our point in a respectful way. Who is involved? This issue involves many people, such as social media user, student and young people, content creator, influencer, online community, and the public. Basically, everyone who uses social media is involved because anyone can comment, reply, react, share their opinion online. As students, we also use social media almost every day. We use it for entertainment, learning, group discussion, and sharing information. This is why we need to be aware of how we communicate online and how our comments may affect others. Where does it happen? Ethical and unethical commenting can happen on many platforms that I mentioned earlier. It usually happens in comment sections, especially when people discuss viral issues, sensitive topics, public mistakes, or controversial opinions. Sometimes people only see one short video or one screenshot, then quickly leave a comment without knowing the full story. This can lead to misunderstanding, unfair judgment, and online conflict. Why is it important? Ethical commenting is important because unethical comments can cause too many problems. For example, it can lead to misunderstanding, cyberbullying, public shaming, emotional harm, damage to reputation, and online conflict. A comment may look small to the people who write it, but it can be hurtful to people who receive it. Harsh words, insult, or personal attacks can make someone feel embarrassed, sad, and lose confidence. Other than that, negative comment can also become cyberbullying when many people join and attack the same person online. This shows that online comments can have real-life effect. Therefore, we need to comment with care and think about the impact before posting anything. When should we be careful? We should be careful when giving opinions, when disagreeing with others, when commenting on sensitive issues, when reacting to viral content, and when replying during online arguments. This situation can easily become emotional. When people are angry, shocked, and strongly disagree with something, they may type comments too quickly without thinking properly. Before we comment, we should pause for a moment and ask ourselves, is this comment respectful? Is it necessary? Is it fair, or it can hurt someone? If the comment may hurt or embarrass others, it is better to rewrite it in a more polite way or choose. How to comment ethically? There are several simple ways to comment ethically. First, we should think before commenting. We should not comment based on only anger or emotion. Second, we should use respectful language. Even if we disagree, we can still use calm and polite words. Third, we should avoid personal attacks. We should focus on the issue, not attack someone's appearance, background, or personality. Fourth, we should not spread hate. If the comment section is already negative, we should not add more harmful comments. Fifth, we should check the context first before giving opinion. Sometimes, what we see online is only part of the real situation. Lastly, if we want to correct others, we should correct them politely. Giving opinions is not wrong, but the way we deliver the opinion is very important. In conclusion, every comment we write can affect others. Social media comments may seem small, but the impact can be big. A kind comment can encourage someone, while a harmful comment can hurt someone emotionally or damage their reputation. Therefore, we should always comment with care by using respectful words, thinking before posting, avoiding personal attacks, and giving opinion responsibly. By practicing ethical commenting, we can help create a safer, more respectful, and more positive online environment. Thank you.